सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 12.2 problem number 3. Let us see the question. This is the given question. A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the statue. So here we have to find the height of the statue, which is standing on the 2 meters pedestal, 2 meters tall pedestal. So given the angle of elevation from a point to the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and to the pedestal, top of the pedestal is given 45 degrees. Okay, so first of all we have to imagine a diagram for this situation. Okay, let's see the diagram. Suppose this is a pedestal of 2 meters height, is consider 2 meters height of pedestal. On this statue is standing like this. Okay, is it straight? Yes, right. So let's take one more. Yeah, it is clear now, right? So from here to here it is 2 meters. Okay, let us consider this point as a D, and this is B. Okay, from here, from this point, the angle of elevation from the top of the statue, this is the top of the statue. Okay, given it is 60 degrees. Okay, this is given 60 degrees, and from this point, same point, the angle of elevation to the top of the pedestal is given 45 degrees. Okay, this point is considered as C, and this is A, B, C, and this is D. Okay, so we have to find the height of the statue. What is the height of the statue here? Yeah, this AD is the height of the statue. This BD is the height of the pedestal, and this AD is the height of the statue. This statue is standing on this pedestal. Okay, right. Let's consider this as H. Okay, consider the height of the statue is X, and the distance between the observer and the foot of the pedestal is considered as X, right? Is it clear? This is the diagram for this situation. So we have to find the height of the statue here with the given information. Let us write what is given first. Given height of the pedestal is 2 meters, that is nothing but BD. Okay, right. Next, and angle of elevation to the top of statue is given 60 degrees, and angle of elevation to the top of pedestal is given 45 degrees. Okay, and consider the distance between observer and what is that, foot of the pedestal is considered X. Okay, as well as consider the height of the statue is consider the height of the statue is h. Okay, this is nothing but AD. Okay, AD we are taking as h. Okay, right. So here with that given information I am going to find this x value first. X is nothing but distance between the observer and foot of the pedestal. Okay, to find that I am going to use here tan ratio. Instead of tan we can take a cot also. Okay, but I am taking here tan, right? So in triangle BCD, tan 45 degrees is equals to, what is the tan ratio? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so what is the opposite side to 45 degrees? That is BD by adjacent side is BC. Okay, so tan 45 value we have already, that is 1. What is the value of tan 45? That is 1. 1 is equals to BD value 2 meters given by BC value we consider it as x. Take the cross multiplication. X into 1 is equals to 2 meters. X is equals to 2 meters. What is the x value here? Distance between the foot of the pedestal and the observer. That is nothing but this. Okay, the distance we got 2 meters. Let's find the AD value. Okay, to find AD value I am going to take a tan 60 ratio here. Okay, in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side in triangle ABC? ABC triangle. In that AB is the opposite side to angle 60 degrees. Okay, this is the angle 60 here. Okay, so AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. Is it clear? Right. So if you observe figure, AB is nothing but sum of the AD plus BD we can write, isn't it? Is it clear? AB is nothing but sum of AD plus BD, isn't it? So tan 60 is equals to, we can write AD plus BD by BC, isn't it? Right. So tan 60 value we know that root 3 is equals to AD value we considered it is h plus BD value we have already 2 meters, BC value just now we got 2 meters. Okay, take the cross multiplication. Root 3 into 2 meters is equals to h plus 2 meters. Bring this 2 meters here itself. Bring this 2 meters LHS side. Root 3 into 2 meters minus 2 meters is equals to h. Okay, so next h is equals to root 3 meters minus 2 meters. Okay, take 2 common here. 2 common, this becomes root 3 minus 1 meters, isn't it? So h is equals to, what is the root 3 value? 1.732 minus 1 meters, isn't it? Is it clear? So here I am taking 2 common, bring 2 outside, root 3 remains here, minus 1 is remaining here. Okay, and next step, root 3 value we know that 1.732 and minus 1 as it is, and meter I am writing outside. Okay, let's simplify that. So h is equals to 2 into 1.732 minus 1 meters. If I subtract 1.732 minus 1, what we get? We get h is equals to 0.732 obviously, isn't it? Meters as it is. Now multiply 0.732 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7 14, 4 here, 1 here, 2 0 0 plus 1 1. So take the decimal point after 3 digits, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So what becomes? H is equals to 1.464 meters. This is the value of h. H is nothing but the height of the statue. That is our required answer, isn't it? So write down here, the height of the statue is equals to h, we got 1.464 meters. This is the answer. I hope you understand the problem. Take the problem.